Hi Jam, surprise! So happy birthday. Thank you so much for being a very wonderful friend, such a very active admin sa ating page, as well as syempre sa ating ML squad, which is the Skull Squad. Thank you for being the sergeant at arms of our group kapag may mga away, misunderstanding, at kung ano-ano pa. Thank you sa lahat ng help mo. Anytime na kailangan kita, andyan ka to help me. So, yeah. Thank you so much and God bless to you. I wish you good health at yung matagal mo ng pangarap. Sana matupad yun. And ito yung iba pang mga tao na nagmamahal sa'yo, Nox, at gusto mo mati for your birthday. So, eto na.
Hi, good morning. Happy birthday, Jamie. Happy 18th birthday. Ayun lang. Stay pretty, bubbly, tsaka may you have good health every day and more blessings. Tsaka ano pa ba? Enjoy the rest of the year. Tapos magbe-birthday ka pa. Live long. Yun lang.
Aba naman! Birthday mo pala, Admin Jam! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jamaica! Huwag kang magbago. Di ka na magbabago kahit kailan. Masama ka pa din. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Admin Jam. Wishing you a day filled with laughter, love, and creativity.
Happy birthday, Jam. Wishing you happiness always and stay healthy and more bebe to come. As in, more lalaki to come. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hi Jam, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay strong and good health. And stay pretty. Alam mo yan. Nag-grade to ka syempre. More birthday to come. At sana palagang gabayan ng ating Panginoon. At maging maligaya sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. At mag-iingat palagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy your special day with your loved ones. Cheers.
Thank you.
Hello, Admin Jam. Happy birthday. Wishing you more happiness, more blessings, and more taray to come. Sana maabot mo yung mga goals and wish mo sa life. Syempre, ingat ka lagi. Yun. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday, Admin Jam. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Hi Jam! Happy birthday sa food buddy ko at sa lagi namin kasama ni Melanie pagdating sa mga kalokohan at sa lagi rin namin inaasahan ni Melanie pagdating sa, alam mo na yan. Happy birthday ulit and wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Wish ko sana magkabibi na kayo ni Jojo. Yan. Happy birthday ulit. I miss you and I love you. See you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Jamaica. More birthday to come para mas marami ka pang mainom. Pero mabuhay kang gusto mo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday po, Admin Jam. More birthdays to come po. And more blessing, more success in your life. Sana maging happy ka today sa iyong birthday.
Milams, happy birthday. Thank you sa squad at nakilala ko kayo ni Lisa. And I found my two best friends and partners in crime. And sana sa New Year, huwag mo kalimutan tumalon, okay? Yan lang. Love you. Miss you.
Hi, Admin Jam. I know you don't know me personally, but I just want to greet you a happy birthday. May you have an awesome 2026.
Hello, Jam. Happy birthday. Message for you. Siguro, sana ma-meet mo na lahat ng goals mo sa buhay. Then, always keep praying and keep hoping sa lahat ng binibigay at ibibigay pa ni God sa inyo. Yun lang. Salamat.
Hi, Jamaica. Sa lahat, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung magandang ugali yung pinapakita mo. Huwag ka na magsungit, huwag ka na magtuyo. At sana marami pang blessing na dumating sa'yo. At ano pa ba? More blessing to come para sa'yo. Stay healthy, taba ka pa. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Hi Jam! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and stay happy. Piliin mo kung saan ka masaya. Doon din kami. Madam Apoy guide ko Happy birthday!